Morning, everybody. Yep. We got the old JK saw shop. $3.90 today. 32-inch bar, full house chain. And we have a new member of the team. Showed up in the mail. Anonymous giver of good. Yeah, we got us a PV. And that's the first thing we're going to do this morning. We're going to use it. Came all the way from Maine. Let's try it out. On this big butt piece. Don't worry, this will get cut eventually. It'll get hauled home. Thick bark. Just like that. Pretty nice. Super nice. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. We'll get lots of use out of this. Ah, there we go. Got a nice mound of stuff, but our road dried up from when I came up and diverted the water. So it wasn't running down this road. All right. Now that that's out of the way. Boy, that thing works slick, huh? Oh, there's our tree. This one right here. You can see the lean on it, as opposed to this tree right here. So it's leaning that way and back towards us a little bit, back up the hill. See the lean on it? See how far out it goes? And we're going to put it right here. Right there. Right down into the old wood landing spot. Once again, we're running the JK Saw Shop 390 that folks came together and sent him the parts and he put it together for us. So we're going to run it today. Okay, let's take a walk. Let's take a walk around the stump. You see this? See this big open, it's like a cat face type thing. Look at how far up it goes. See where that's at? See, so the tree could be rotten. It could be kind of unstable. And look what it does to the stump. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. But the stump is wide this way. The tree is wide this way. It's got some kind of a crack right here too that we're going to have to keep an eye on when it decides to go. And wedging it's not going to be all that great because of this. You can't really see, it doesn't do it justice of how flat that is. There you can kind of see like how it makes that cavity. It's going to be, yeah, have to stay heads up on it. tune her a little bit. Hope you could see some of that movement up there before it went. Didn't take very long, huh? Boy, she is rotten. really rotten. Holy smokes. Tom Joyner special. Let's look at this stump. It's a doozy. I figured with that crack in the front of it, it might have a chance of being like that. You could see that the center was rotten on the face cut. Look at this. Better make sure you can see this. Look at it. Just nothing. There's good wood there. And some good wood. Not a lot. This right here. Look. Look at this dandy. See this post? That's all that was holding it on that side. This is all just rotten, clear to the edge, clear to right there where my hand's at. And then this over here, it's rotten right here to the edge. Right in that crevice that we talked about before we fell it. Look at the rot in that. Hi everyone. Just wanted to do this outro, I guess, to the video to let you know that there'll be a second part of this. I'll be cutting up the rest of the tree and into firewood blocks and splitting some wood with the Rockaway that Johnny Arnett sent me, and on the handle that Tom Joyner sent me. It's a dandy handle. It's a dandy combination. You'll see it in the next video, in the second part of this sequence. The video would have been super long if I would have kept it going, so I just figured I'd just cut it off here and just do the falling part. And I hope everybody enjoyed the show, and welcome to the new subscribers. We thank you. I thank you a ton. I hope you enjoy the content. I hope you stick around, and I hope you come back. Get in the comment section. Get in there, meet some people. Enjoy, and I look forward to seeing all the comments. Thanks, Tom Joyner. Thanks, Johnny Arnett. I appreciate it. JK, the 390's coming along, brother. It's awesome. I love it. I still can't believe that I got a 390. It's a runner, and I'm enjoying the heck out of it, brother. I thank you. I can't thank you enough. I love you, brother. I love everybody. Take care and be safe. Look up. Always, when falling trees, have a hard hat on. Be safe, falling snags. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Be kind.